This part is about the installation guide of DSGW006. First, there's a joint in the top. Let's loosen it. Then connect the gateway to the guide rail and fasten it. Then you can see the installation is done. This video demonstrates the way for integrating the CDGW006 gateway with sub-MODBUS device using RS485 in COM port and upload data to AWS IoT core. First, we can find out the IP address of the gateway and use root for password to log in. So we would need all the following credentials to connect to AWS server. Therefore, second step is to log in the AWS IoT console and create a scene here for further connection. Choose Linux and Python for the connection package. Fill in an easy-to-remember name here for the scene. Click Next Step. Download the connection package here. Please be aware it's the only chance for you to download the key. Unzip the file in the folder we got certification files. And open the start.sh file, copy the URL to download the CA file, store it here for further connection. Click Next Step Done. Click Done, then the scene is created successfully. Then we could check the basic information and policy of the scene just created. The AWS server address can be obtained from Settings, Endpoint. Default AWS port is 8883. Then acquire the client ID allowed from the scene's policy. From the list, we can see one of the available client ID is basic pops up. Fill in the AWS client ID section. Next, we need to upload all the credential files to the gateway. Rename the private key to mqtt.key, certificate file to mqtt.cert, and CA file to mqtt.crt. Then upload these files to the gateway one by one using the web portal. They should be stored in the exact same directory shown in the web browser. Next step is to fill in the allowed, subscribe, and publish topic here. From the list, we can get the topic 1 for subtopic. and topic 2 for pop topic. Click Save and Apply, and the configuration in Gateway is complete. Switch back to AWS IoT service, choose the MQTT test client section, fill in the topic 2 as the subtopic in AWS. Hit Save and Apply again to send a data package to AWS server. Then we can publish message to the gateway to test the downlink process.